Why aren't keyboards alphabetical? More than 150 years ago, early typewriters had a problem. If you typed too fast, the metal arms inside would jam together. Inventor Christopher Latham Scholes solved it by rearranging the most common letters, spacing them apart just enough to reduce collisions. That workaround slowed typing, but it kept the machine running. And then something remarkable happened. People learned the new pattern. Companies kept producing it. Even after the jamming problem disappeared, QWERTY had already become familiar, efficient, and everywhere. What began as a practical fix turned into a habit the world never let go. That's why QWERTY outlived the typewriter itself. So every time you type, you are using a decision made for a very different machine. And that old solution still shapes modern life today.